In Creo Parametric, you can reuse a work center that is configured for CNC manufacturing. Here I am in a manufacturing model that was made for expert machinists. We have a DMU 125 work center. I will right-click on it and choose Edit Definition to show you the milling work center dialog box. For example, this one was set up for 5-axis. Let me cancel out of here. Before I reuse it though, I want to show you a config.pro option that you want to know about and you want to have set. Let me go to File and then Options, and then Configuration Editor. And I'm going to scroll down in the list of my config.pro options. And there is one that is called Pro MF Work Cell Directory, and I have that set to a folder on my computer. So let me cancel out of here. If I want to save this work center to reuse it in another model, there are two ways that you can go about doing it. You can right-click on it and then choose the Save button, or you can select it, it's selected here, and then go to the Work Center drop-down menu, and here is Save Work Center. And when you do that, both of them will save that work center to the folder that is specified in that config.pro option. Now I want to reuse that in a different model. Let me change my window. And here I am remaking that model, but I'm doing it in standard Pro NC manufacturing. And so to use that in this model, I can go to the Work Center drop-down list. And here's the command, user-defined work center. This work center is actually going to be saved and retrieved as a user-defined feature, and that's going to end in .gph. So I will choose user-defined work center, and it goes to the folder that is specified by that config.pro option. Here is the one that I just saved. There you can see the .gph file extension. I will choose the Open button, and now we have that work center listed in our model tree of our manufacturing model.